Links are votes of trust for your website. They're still the strongest signal telling Google to rank your content higher in the SERPs and to surface your site in AI overviews and ChatGPT results. At Rover, we've solved the hardest part of link building. We have pivoted this through our automated outreach system and finding relevant pages through our Anchor Finder tool. With our fully automated outreach systems, we can reach out to 1,000 plus sites per day, so our inventory is never limited. We are the only platform that has the ability to scrape our inventory and find relevant pages, so you find the best pages that already have traffic, are relevant, and drive visitors. With our Anchor Finder tool, find the relevant pages in seconds. For enterprises and agencies, we also offer managed link building services where we handle your complete strategy from finding relevant sites to intent-based anchor text selection for optimum results. One platform, real data, real results. Everything you need to build links that actually move your rankings. Start with Rover. Be seen, be trusted, be everywhere.